Hello, my beautiful people. Is there one and only? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. My ogbonge people, to the topic now about one lady where they just cash, where they use the person wey don meme, they use dead body till they cook for people for restaurant to my people. They just catch this woman now. They say this woman, if she dey cook, everybody go one rush go there go eat, because they say the woman really sabi cook, like seriously. Because why I want do this topic, because of our people wey be say they no dey like to eat for house, they always like to go eat for outside. You understand? So now because of them, I make I want do this topic, because really, if first they see wetin dey happen to even eat for outside, they even dey tire person. Not be only Nigeria this thing dey happen, no, my people. Not be only Nigeria it dey happen, even for Europe here where we dey sef it dey happen. You understand? Now only God dey even dey help person for the kind food wey person dey buy for outside dey eat. Now only God na dey help person. This woman, she dey cook for restaurant, and they say if she dey cook, people dey always rush go there go eat. Even some people wey be say they get wife, they no want eat for house, they like to go eat for outside. You understand? So they always they eat for this woman restaurant. So before this woman now, she come, they come discover now, say see wetin she take the person wey dey do am for am, wey dey wash that person wey don die body, dey give am. Na the person na come expose am now. Una understand? The person come expose am now. So as the person expose am, na dem come say, so you mean say this woman now, wetin she dey do ever since dey cook, wey be say people dey run go there go dey eat, my people. Hey God, oh, there is wetin person no know, e no dey keep person. Na some people just stay dey eat finish now, they'll come begin dey sick different sick for, but they no go know say na wetin this woman dey do ever since, my people. More una be careful. More una be careful for the kind restaurant wey una go dey go. How person go even take no? If you ask me now, how person go take no? How person go take no? Just see wetin a human being just dey do to people ever since. People are wicked though. People dey wicked for this life. People dey wicked, really, like seriously. Who does that? Just carry people body take, no. This woman, you dey wicked. You really dey wicked, like seriously, you dey wicked. Not be only Nigeria this thing dey happen. It dey happen for Europe too. It dey happen. People dey wicked, really, like seriously. Who does that? Just carry people. No. I fear who not fear this woman. No, I fear who not fear am, my people. Now European, they catch somebody wey be say e dey carry where they do all those fast food wey they eat now, all those all those pizza, all those McDonald's something, So now they catch one man that time too. The man go just put am for ground, they roll am for ground. Oh God, with the leg. How many wey be say camera don't catch? That make you say some people not they like to eat for outside. Just see what this woman they do to people ever since. They wash person wey don meme body, they will come give her. Now the water now she they cook for people, my people. Then this woman they cook for people, make people they eat. Human be. God don't go forgive this woman, really. God don't go forgive am, because people they wicked. People they wicked. People they wicked. Why? Why did they do this kind of thing to people? Now wow. Now wow, God. Just they wash body till they cook. Person wey don meme body, they use am till they cook for people. This woman. E be like saying no come settle the guy where now the guy can't expose am, say, see what this woman they use till they cook where be say restaurant. If you not eat for there, you not go feel sleep. You must make sure say you go eat for there. The way the restaurant they boom by people, that is why person have to be careful for this life, God. Person have to be prayerful, really, so that make God will remove person eye for all those kind of restaurants there. You just see big restaurants for Naija there. All of the way they get money, even other people who not go, they even move at all. You not go know say na wetin they use. Eh? Though they use different jars till they do their business. They believe say na that one na go work for them, because nobody want use ordinary hand to do business again. Now wow, people did this word, eh? People did this word, really. People did this word, though. My people did this word. I fear will not fear this woman. Oh. I fear will not fear am. So you they wash body, people with up meme body. Now you say they cook for people. I fear will not fear you, this woman. I fear will not fear you, oh. Because I never see person like you for my life. Eh? My people, oh. Now the matter, I say I can't tell you now. Say more na see another latest news again, no. Another ogbonge news again, no. More na see wetin dey happen for Africa. Eh? More na see wetin dey happen, no. People did this word. People did this word. Somebody they carry pepper wey don meme body till they cook for people. Ever since. Ah. Fair not fair this woman. Like the thing they like as I even talk and say the thing they irritate me. They do me say if I see that woman make I squeeze that face for her. People just they eat or kill you for body ever since they don't even know. They just they eat bad thing for body ever since they don't know. Person will not make body. You can imagine. Say person they wash until they cook. Ah, God, I fear will not fear that woman. I fear will not fear that woman. Eh? I fear will not fear am, my people. Oh. Eh? How they go do this kind of woman now, my people? You now where they wash me now. How they supposed to judge this kind of woman for waiting this woman do so? Eh? This one have the highest when me I don't ever see you for this social media. This one have see the highest. Say person just go wash body, take cook. Ah, I fear will not fear this woman. I fear will not fear and God. May God have mercy on you. May God have mercy on your soul, really. And people, now the matter where they ground, now say I can't tell you now. When I hear the latest again, no, my people. So thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your humble sister, your lovely sister, your ogbonge sister. Anything you think about this video, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your Lady J1 of the universe. Thank you. Bye. Share this video for me and always put thumbs up for my video anytime you watch my video. God bless you people for me. Bye.